Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ruby, and today we are doing this look. It's a Euphoria inspired makeup tutorial. I tried to go off from one of Maddie's look, but it turned completely different. I'm not gonna lie, but I still like it, and I hope you guys did too. I hope you guys subscribe and come back. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I know I look crazy, but I went ahead and primed my eyes using the Maybelline Fit Me concealers. I used the lightest one, which is in shade 5, and then I used Sand Sable, and then I set it with the white powder. So I already put some tape underneath both eyes, and that's just gonna help like give it that look. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's called Daisy, and this is the Daisy Marquez palette from BH. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and pack it with my finger and then like blend it out. It feels really soft. I've never used this palette before, so I feel like this is gonna take a lot of coats. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go in with the fluffy brush, and this is just from Elf, and I'm gonna go in with Naked, which is this nude color. And I'm going to use that to kind of blend it out, like blend out the edges. Very carefully blending it. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the blue liner. And for that, I'm just going to use this color right here. It's called Bring It, and this is from the ColourPop Chasing Rainbows. I absolutely love this palette. Okay. Carefully gonna blend. All right, that's as good as it's gonna get, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and use the little stone. I wish I had like better blues, but oh wow. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put smaller ones up here, and then I'm gonna do big ones in the middle, and then like smaller ones going out again. I'm gonna start off with the little tiny baby ones. Also, sorry, my nails are like so ratchet right now. I'm gonna go get them done. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I'm gonna put one more, and then I'm gonna move on. Or should I just move on to the bigger ones? No, I'm gonna put one more small one. Okay, I think I'm gonna do one more big one and then start with the little ones. I really hope this shit's in focus, because if it's not, can you guys imagine? Yo haciendo todo esto para nada, o sea, como que no. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the little ones, which I freaking hate these little ones because they're so easy to fall. Que la chingada. I'm gonna take off the tape. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera because this was so much harder than I thought it was going to be. And then I'll be back. So I'm gonna start off with foundation. I'm using the Fit Me Maybelline in 230. I always use this. I should probably go ahead and prime first. I'm gonna prime with the Hangover by Too Faced. There's like still so much glitter, but oh well. Tap that into my face. Okay, guys. I'm gonna put concealer on. I'm gonna use a maybe. I'm gonna use a Maybelline concealer as well. The shade Sand Sable. Just putting a little bit on. And then I'm gonna set with the Airspun setting powder. This is literally the only brush I have that's clean, so I'm just gonna use that to dust this off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my butter bronzer in the shade Dark Bronzer. Which one should I use? I'm gonna use the angle brush side. You know what? I'm gonna tie my hair up. And then I'm going to flip the brush and use the Wet n Wild blush in Pearlescent Pink. So it just looks like this. And then I'm going to take the bronzer side and just kind of blend the two together. Gonna put some on my nosies. Alrighty. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Suede pencil in London. And then I'm using the Life Glam liquid lipstick in Baby G. So I'm gonna put some of the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick, and this is in Stepping Out because that one's a little too light. So let me go ahead and pop on some lashes and highlighter, and then I'll be back to do the reveal. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It is the boldest look I've ever done, but I kind of like it. But I don't know, I have to do some things today, so I don't know if I'm like down to go out like this. We'll see. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. It turned out to be a little bit harder than I thought. Like I was like, oh, it's just a simple video, we got this. It was kind of hard, but yeah, I really like it. I'm like looking in the mirror and I like it. So I hope you guys did too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you guys want more Euphoria makeup tutorials, because I'm kind of, I don't know, it's cute. Obviously I can't do them exactly because I just don't have that talent, but yeah,